Let me just begin by giving you a very warm welcome to Morning Coffee with Chaim. You see, by you signing up for Morning Coffee with Chaim, it's like us having coffee, like you and I having a coffee every morning, sitting down, discussing what is your finish line like. What do you want? What do you really want to accomplish by the end of the day in order for you to be happy with your progress? And then you can back off and think to yourself, what do I need to do now? What do I need to do during the day in order for me to get to that end result? You see, life is very short, and it's very crucially important that you know what your finish line is by the end of your life in order for you to accomplish what you are meant to accomplish in this world. So you can come back and start thinking to yourself, what do I need to do today in order to be in line to what my finish line is? If you're going to live like this, you can't help it but accomplish amazing results. And one day you're going to look back, maybe in a year or 10 years from now, you're going to look back to today and think to yourself, I can't believe how far I have come. This is your chance to live life the way that you really meant to live. And I'm so honored and humbled to be a partner with you in this amazing journey. Drop me an email, send me a message if it helped you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at your finish line.